me through China, but enough to make the vlog interesting. So now we are off to Xintiandi. We're already at the Xintiandi station. So it's lined with lots of shopping streets and pubs and lounges. So just planning to take it easy today. So see you around.
So after walking 300 meters from the Xintiandi station on the Madang road, you come to the Xingye road, and that's where you'll find this market. And this is what it will look like to you. This is the old section, and that side is the new section. If you have ever been to Paris, this place retains the essence of that. It's only everybody is eating on the streets, and you know, it's got a very French, very Parisian feel to it. So luckily for me, Priya didn't get any chicken in that pizza place. So we have ended up at the place of my choice, and it's called the Refinery. I'll be having some seafood today. So I'm having tiger prawns with kimchi rice. Priya is having salmon with kimchi rice. So we are done with our lunch. We will be heading off to the Oriental Pearl Tower. It's looking casual till now, so relax. Me and Priya had a brief change in the plan, and we thought that we would come over to the China Science Museum. And Chinese couldn't find any other place to build this museum other than bang opposite that market. It's a fake market, so that's a testimony to the Chinese ingenuity.
Anybody looking for a good deal in souvenirs? Yes, this is the place to be. As far as the fakes are concerned, yes, you can just look around and be intrigued.
I'll be taking this train to Lujiazui, the financial district, and that's where the Oriental Pearl Tower is. See you there.
So who's at the base of the Oriental Pearl Tower? Behind me is the iconic structure of Shanghai, and also the second tallest building over here, the Oriental Pearl Tower. I feel such a dwarf over here. And right besides me over here, in the middle of those two buildings you see, is the Shanghai Tower, which is the tallest tower in Shanghai, and also the second tallest tower in the world after the Burj Khalifa.
We are now heading towards the Super Brand Mall. Priya needs some retail therapy. She is like really tired of visiting places now with me. So we will be heading for some shopping. It's right there.
But here also Sam has an ulterior motive, because Super Brand Mall has one of a very good restaurants that serves like huge crab. He's not going only for me.
If you're ever in Shanghai and you come to the financial district, you definitely come to the Super Brand Mall and come to the level L5. You see that crab behind? That is one of the most famous crab places here in Shanghai, and it's Priya's favorite, my favorite. I'm going in. I'll show you all the live crabs.
So that's the meal for the day. I'm selecting one. So let me see which one to select. Yeah, okay. Okay lah. Hi, I can't wait for these crabs to get cooked and
crabs भी पक रहे हैं और प्रिया भी पक रही है. We are done with our dinner. We had those crabs, it was very nice. It was completely devoured and decimated by madam. Now we'll just go to the boardwalk. It's like a boulevard next to the river, and check out the area I'm walking through. We are done for the day, and just to end it on a very beautiful note, let me just put up a song. It's in Chinese, it's a love song. Definitely listen to it, it's a very beautiful song.
这不是件容易的事，我们却都没有哭泣，让它淡淡的来，让它好好的去，到如今年复一年。我不能停止怀念，怀念你，怀念从前。但愿那海放在这，只为那浪花的手，恰似你的吻。